Hello everyone. This lecture is continuation of usual ABAP class. In the previous section, in the previous lecture, we have created one method. Now we will use that method inside the program. Now suppose I am going for SC38 transaction code. Suppose I am creating one program. Suppose my name of the program is Z class underscore example. Suppose now I will click on this create button. I am giving the short description of the program is suppose class example. I am taking it as a executable program. I will click on this save button. I am saving this program as a local object. Now I will call that method which I have created inside the program. So I will go for SC24 transaction code. This is my name of the class. I am displaying this class. Now I will call this method inside my program. Now we have already discussed whenever we have the instance method, there is a need of the creation of the object. We can only call this method with the help of object. So how we will call this method? So firstly we have to declare the object. So how to declare the object? Suppose my name of the object is LO underscore object. Then I have to write type ref2. Type ref2. Then my name of the class is zusual underscore class. So I have declared one object which is referring to my class, that is zusual underscore class. Now I will call this method. So how I will call this method? I will go for pattern tab. I will go for ABAP object patterns. I will press enter. Now I have to pass the name of the instance. Instance means my object name. My object name is LO underscore object. My name of the class is zusual underscore class. Now I will click on this F4 of the methods. This is my method name fetch underscore data. Now I will click on this OK button. See, now whenever you are reusing the method, your importing will become exporting, exporting will become importing. See, if we are checking this method, in this method pdata and pdata2 are our importing. Now here it will be now in this program they are behaving like exporting. Now in this case, in the program, in this class method p output is exporting. Now in this program it is behaving like importing. Now suppose my p data input is suppose 1. Now suppose my p data is equal to 2. Now I will declare one variable which will store the output. Suppose lv underscore output is my local variable which stores the output. Suppose it is of type character 2, character 3. Now I have two parameters, pdata1 I am passing the value 1, pdata2 I am passing the value 2, and this is the variable which will give you the output, lv underscore output. Now I am writing the output, lv underscore output. I am displaying the output. Now we have already discussed in case of instance method there is always a need of the creation of the object. You have declared the object, you have called the method with the help of object, but you have not created the object. So we will create this object. So what is the statement for creating the object? Is create object LO underscore object. This is the statement which is used for the creation of the object of usual ABAP class. Now I will check for the syntax. I will activate this program. Now I will show you this process in the debugging mode. Now I will put the breakpoint here. I am running the program. I will go for desktop 3. Now see, firstly we will go for the object. Initially this object is initial. The object is not created yet. If I am executing this statement, see, now the object is created. Now if I am executing this class method, I will got the output 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now if I am not creating the object, see, this is an instance method. If I am commenting this object statement, now I will check. If I am executing the program, see, I simply got the error that access via zero null reference, because you are calling the method with the help of object, but you have not created the object. So whenever you have a instance method, always there is a need of the creation of the object. Suppose now I am taking this method as a static method. So in case of static method, there is no need for the creation of the object. Now if I am running this method, now it will work, because there is, in case of static method, there is no need for the creation of the object. You only have to declare the object and you only have to call the method. So I will call this method. I am commenting this. Now I will call the instance method. I will call the static method. So I will go for pattern, ABAP object patterns, but in this case my name of the is, there is no need for the instance now. So I will pass the name of the class. My name of the class is zusual underscore class. Now I will go for method. This is my method. Okay. Now suppose my input is 1, second parameter is 2. Now my output variable is LB underscore output. I am not declaring the object. I am not creating the object. I am directly calling the class method, because my method is of static type. Now I am checking for the syntax. I am activating the program. Now if I am running this program, if I am executing the program, see, the output is 3. So this is very important concept. Whenever you are creating a instance method, call that method with the help of object, declare the object, create the object, and then call the method. But if you are taking the method as a static method, you can directly call that method. There is no need for the creation of the object. Rest things we will continue in the next lecture.